Aluminum foil is a simple way to clean your baking tray. If it's heavily burnt, this trick will definitely work. All you need are 3 ingredients and a clever use of natural chemical compounds. Pour water onto the dirty tray, then squeeze the juice of half a lemon directly onto its surface. Lemon acts as a natural degreaser, has antibacterial and disinfectant properties, and fills your kitchen with a fresh, pleasant scent. Next, sprinkle a moderate amount of baking soda onto the tray. Combined with the lemon juice, it creates a gentle yet effective cleaning mixture. Now, take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a ball, and gently rub the tray's surface. The foil will efficiently remove burnt food residue without the need for vigorous scrubbing. In just a moment, you'll notice how easily the grime comes off. You don't have to worry about scratching the tray. The foil is gentle enough to avoid that. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth to remove any remaining soda and water, and you're done. The tray shines and looks as good as new. Put wooden kitchen utensils into a pot. My grandmother showed me this trick. Take a medium-sized pot, fill it halfway with water, then place the wooden utensils inside and bring the water to a boil. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, you'll notice all the dirt coming out of them. After 5 minutes, remove the utensils from the water. Dry them with a towel. Boiling them regularly every 2 weeks protects them from bacteria, moisture, and cracking, ensuring they last for years. Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. The simplest way to a clean oven. From now on, your oven will always shine like new. Just try this simple trick. It works every time. Prepare an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Pour half a liter of water into it. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the water. After that, squeeze another lemon. Put the lemon peels into the dish with the water in the oven as well. Set the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. Turn the oven on for an hour. After that time, slightly open the oven door. Wait a moment for the oven to cool down a bit. Dip a clean cloth into the dish with the lemon water. Gently wring it out and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to the heat and the lemon's ingredients, the grime will come off easily. With this simple trick, your oven will sparkle without using any chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. The oven has never been so clean. I placed it all around the house, and I couldn't believe the results. Prepare a small dish. Add 3 teaspoons of coffee. Add 2 teaspoons of dried or fresh mint. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients together. Prepare a small piece of aluminum foil. Sprinkle a pinch of the mixture onto it. Fold it in such a way and poke holes in it with a toothpick. Prepare a few such foil packets. Cover the rest of the mixture with a larger piece of aluminum foil. Poke a few holes in the foil with a toothpick. Place this dish on a windowsill or a shelf. Leave the small foil packets in various places around the house. You can place them by the doors, on the windowsill, or in kitchen cabinets. The ingredients in this mixture repel many insects, such as flies, mosquitoes, ants, moths, and even spiders. At the end of summer, it's the perfect way to protect your home from various pests. Brew your coffee this way. This unconventional method will let you enjoy the taste of coffee like never before. Coffee is a daily companion for many of us. It boosts energy, and its aroma can instantly lift your mood. While traditional brewed coffee has many fans, coffee grounds settling at the bottom can spoil the experience. Here's a simple and brilliant way to brew coffee without grounds. Using this unique method, you'll rediscover the joy of brewed coffee. Take your favorite mug or cup. Then, prepare a paper towel and tear off a piece. If the towel is thin, use 2 layers. Place the paper towel over the top of the mug and secure it with a rubber band so it fits snugly around the edges. Using your fist, gently press down in the center of the paper towel to create a shallow indent, being careful not to tear it. Add the desired amount of ground coffee into the indent. Pour hot water over it and watch as the coffee filters through the paper, leaving the grounds behind. Carefully remove the paper towel with the grounds. Your mug is now filled with aromatic, ground-free brewed coffee. Try this method next time. You'll be pleasantly surprised. This method of brewing coffee doesn't acidify the body. It doesn't cause heart palpitations or nervous agitation. What else sets it apart from regular espresso? Unlike excess consumption of espresso, this coffee won't cause liver pain. In fact, it strengthens the liver, stomach, and kidneys. It reduces cellulite and eliminates constipation. Even naturopaths recommend it for people with an acidic body. So, how do you make it? Add a few teaspoons of coffee to a pot. You can add your favorite spices for flavor if you like. I love coffee with a hint of cardamom, so I add either whole or ground cardamom. Pour previously boiled water over the coffee and turn on the stove. For every 4 teaspoons of coffee, use a maximum of 1 liter of water. Wait until the coffee starts to boil, and then let it simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that time, turn off the stove and let the grounds settle at the bottom. Then, pour the coffee into cups. Once you try it, you won't want to stop drinking it. You'll never go back to using a coffee machine. You'll quickly realize that you can use a lot more coffee to prepare it, and it still won't harm you. Throw coffee into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can be transformed into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive solution that will come in handy in the kitchen and bathroom. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which perfectly absorbs unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour a glass of vinegar, known for its disinfecting qualities, and add it to the bowl with coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution well. Once ready, pour it into the sink. Let it sit for a while, allowing the ingredients to work. Then, rinse with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests. Do you also have a problem with white stains on a black sink? Most people who buy such a sink have no idea how to take care of it. White marks don't come off even after washing with dish soap. But an indispensable solution in such a case turns out to be one inexpensive product. Everyone has it in the kitchen cabinet, and it turns out it should also be next to the sink. Then, white deposits from water will never mar your kitchen. Apply a simple trick, and in a few minutes, you'll get rid of the problem. Here's how to deal with it. Take a bottle of vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray the sink surface where there are white spots. Do it thoroughly and generously. Place pieces of paper towel on the damp sink and spray vinegar again. It's important for the paper towels to be completely wet. This way, the vinegar won't evaporate and it will work longer, removing the white spots. Leave the paper for several minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll see that the white marks disappear. After a dozen or so minutes, remove the paper and see the difference. There will be no trace of lime deposits. The black streaks and spots will be a thing of the past, and you can enjoy a perfectly clean black sink. To prevent new white deposits, just spray the sink with vinegar from time to time, and that's it. Good luck.